let's come down onto the mat and rest in Makarasana or the crocodile pose. Bring both hands in front and making a pillow of the hands, rest your forehead at the back of the palms, and let's just take a few deep breaths in Makarasana. Then slowly rise up and extend the legs forward. Place both the hands slightly behind the hips. Bring the soles of the feet onto the mat. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, push into the hands and the feet and raise the hips up to come into Purvottanasana or the reverse plank. Keep pushing the hips up and keep the core engaged. Try to keep the toes firmly grounded into the mat. And let's stay for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the hips down. Take a deep breath in, extend the arms up, and as you exhale, fold forward to come into Paschimottanasana. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, fold forward. Last time. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, fold forward. And slowly come up. We'll do this once more. Place the hands behind the hips. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, push the hips up to come into reverse plank. You can keep the chin tucked in, looking diagonally up. And let's stay for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the hips down. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, fold forward to Paschimottanasana. And let's stay for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, bend the left leg and bring the left foot close to the right knee. As you inhale, extend the right arm up, and as you exhale, bring the right elbow on the outside of the left knee and twist towards the left. Let's stay for 3. With every inhale, elongate the spine, and with every exhale, twist. 2, and 1. And then slowly release. Let's do it for the other side. Bend the right leg. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, twist to the right. Keep the spine long. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and extend the right leg. Bring the soles of the feet together to come into Baddha Konasana, the butterfly pose. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Come up and then slowly recline back to rest in Supta Baddha Konasana. You can place both the hands on your abdomen or thighs And let's just stay here for a few deep breaths, letting the body relax completely. With every inhale, feel your belly rising up. And with every exhale, the belly goes down. Let your jaw loose, focusing only on your breath. Slowly roll to one side. And then come up to an easy cross-legged sitting position. Bring the hands in Chinna Mudra on the knees. We'll end with 3 Omkars. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bring the palms to heart center. And let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Bring the palms to your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.